y'all. In today's video, I'll be doing a wig install, and right now I'm just pre-plucking the hairline to make it look more natural. This is not really a detailed video on anything. I'm just showing you me plucking. Also, I would just be showing you me installing this wig. Being that I just jumped right into the video, I would like to say that if you're already a part of my channel, welcome back. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So this is how it looked after I got finished plugging it, and it's now ready to be installed. So here, I just parted her hair straight down the middle because she wanted a middle part, and I'm going to braid the braids going straight back. Instead of me sewing down a braid that was left out, I went ahead and crocheted through the braid. And right here, I'm just showing you how my braid pattern looked. So you'll see that I cut the lace into like 4 equal parts, and that just helps me better as far as laying it down. Right here, I'm just taking some alcohol and cleaning off all the makeup or any extra oils that was on her face. This hair is pretty easy to maintain. You just put water or mousse on it to help style it. The brush that you see me using right here is called a diamond brush, and you can find one of these at your local beauty hair store. To make sure that the lace was extra melted, I took some Got To Be Free spray and sprayed on the edge of the lace so that it could be melted down just a little more. So this is how it looked after I went ahead and cleaned it off with the alcohol, and I went ahead and did the other side off camera. So right here, I'm just getting ready to do her edges with some Got To Be gel. I know that some people may say to use the mousse, but as of right now, using the Got To Be gel is what's best for me. This is the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to email me at stylesyj@gmail.com. More videos coming soon.